Nandito na kami sa restaurant dito sa Serbia. I wear this. O, diba? So, tara mga ganda, kakain tayo. Okay. Dito lang pala. Ah. Since 1979. Restaurant.
Nota, 3 euro na card.
Look,
Card.
see, it's in Romanian. So, because there are many Romanians.
So, saan ka nakakita ng pumunta sa ibang bansa na nakasando lang? Ang galing pang Pilipinas yung sando.
Fish soup. Fish soup.
Sir Alex nyo, gala. Yung Sir Alex nyo, gala. Kung saan-saan na lang kami, napadpad na kami sa Serbia. So, ayan na yung soup. What soup is that?
Fish.
It's the fish.
4 type of fish.
Fish sauce.
Fish
Soup.
soup.
Thank you.
Welcome. You can taste it.
It's the egg of the fish.
What?
It's the egg of the fish.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
It's good to eat.
Yeah. It's my grandmother's favorite.
But this is
Nanghingi na si... kasabot mo ay ka. Dumating na yung pangalawang ano namin, dish.
pork and
What's that? It's an ice
pork.
cream? What?
cream or something.
Okay. Ayan. Ito lang yung pinunta namin sa Serbia. Lalagyan na ni Habi ng
Pepper.
black pepper. Siya yung taga-asikaso sa akin pagka kumakain kami sa labas. Is that working? So, good husband. Oops. What's this, onion? Sa bowl.
Egg. Or from here.
Yeah, it's nice. Kakatapos lang namin kumain, babalik na kami. At ang init-init na yung sasakyan kasi nabilad sa araw. Oh my God. And that's it for today mga ganda. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!